Today, we will learn 20 different greetings and small talk. Ooh!
So we can talk to anyone naturally?
From formal interviews to casual chats with friends.
Let's learn how to start a real conversation.
Teacher and student.
Good morning, Sarah. You look very happy today.
Good morning, Mr. Davis. I am in a great mood.
That is wonderful. Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did. It was actually very fun.
I'm surprised. You usually say homework is boring.
Well, I like real pop English much better.
I'm glad to hear that. Are you ready to sing?
To sing? Right now? In front of everyone?
Yes, it is the best way to practice your English.
Oh no! Singing sounds like a broken radio.
Haha, don't worry, Sarah. I will sing with you.
Really? Then I am not afraid anymore.
Great. Everyone, let's start the music.
Wait, can we pick a Taylor Swift song?
I knew you were troubles, Sarah. Now, open your books.
Job interviewer and candidate.
Hello? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here.
You look very professional. Are you nervous?
A little, but my tie is doing the work for me.
Good. Tell me, why should we hire you?
I am hardworking and I never give up.
That's great. What is your weakness?
I like bread too much. It's hard to stop.
Well, we have a bakery nearby. Any questions?
Yes. Do employees get a gym discount?
Yes, we care about health. We will call you soon.
Perfect. I look forward to hearing from you.
Boss and employee.
Hi, Sarah. Do you have a minute to talk?
Of course, boss. Is everything okay?
You did a great job on the presentation.
Thank you. I practiced in front of my cat.
Well, your cat taught you well.
She is a very strict teacher.
Anyway, keep up the good work.
I will. Do you need anything else?
Not for now. Go grab some coffee.
I'll bring you one too. Black coffee?
Yes, please. You read my mind.
Coming right up. I'll be back in a second.
Doctor and patient.
Hello. How are you feeling today?
Not so good. I have a bad cold.
Let me check your temperature.
Am I burning up like a volcano?
Not quite, but you have a fever.
I feel very weak and tired.
You need to drink a lot of water.
Can I drink soda instead?
No. Soda is not water, my friend.
Okay, I will follow your rules.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Thank you, doctor. I'll try to survive.
Client and service provider.
Hi there. I need to fix my phone screen.
Oh, it looks like a spider web.
I know. It had a fight with the floor.
The floor always wins that fight.
Can you fix it by this afternoon?
I can try, but I have many phones today.
I really need it for work.
Okay, I'll put you first for an extra fee.
Is it very expensive?
Just a little bit more for the speed.
Fine, please make it look new again.
Trust me, I am a phone doctor.
Hotel front desk and guest.
Welcome. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation for Min.
Yes, one room for 3 nights.
Correct. Is there free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is Hotel 1 to 3.
Great. Is the breakfast good here?
People love our pancakes and eggs.
Good, I am always hungry in the morning.
Here is your key, room 702.
Is the elevator over there?
Yes, right behind the fountain.
Thank you. I'm going to sleep now.
Customs office and traveler.
Next, please.
Hi there.
Hello. Passport, please.
Here it is.
What is the purpose of your trip?
I'm here for a vacation.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, just me and my backpack.
Do you have any fruit or meat?
No, I ate everything on the plane.
Haha, good. How much cash do you have?
About $500 in a credit card.
Enjoy your stay in the city.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Flight attendant and passenger.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like chicken or pasta?
Hi, chicken, please. I'm very hungry.
Anything to drink with that?
Can I have a cold beer?
Sure. Here is your meal and beer.
Thank you. Can I get one more pillow?
I'll check if we have extra ones.
My neck feels like a stone.
I found one. Here you go.
You are a lifesaver.
No problem. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. I will try to sleep now.
Waiter and customer.
Are you ready to order now?
Yes, I'll have the steak, please.
How would you like that cooked?
Medium rare. Just perfect.
Excellent choice. Any side dishes?
Can I have extra fries instead of salad?
Sure, fries are better than leaves.
I agree. And a large cola.
No Diet Cola?
No, today is my cheat day.
Great, I will bring it fast.
Thank you. I'm ready to eat.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
Hi. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing well. Can I help you find something?
I am looking for a blue shirt.
We have this light blue one.
It looks a bit small for me.
We have a large size and back.
Can I try it on now?
The fitting room is over there.
Oh, this fits perfectly.
It looks very good on you.
How much is this shirt?
It is only $20.
I will take it. Thank you.
Neighbor first meeting.
Hi, I just moved in next door.
Oh, hello. I'm Mike. Welcome.
I'm Jenny. Nice to meet you.
If you need help, just ask.
Do you have a hammer?
I do. Are you building a castle?
Haha, no. Just fixing a shelf.
I'll bring it to you later.
Thanks. You are a great neighbor.
No problem. See you around.
Yes. Have a great day, Mike.
You too, Jenny. Good luck.
Landlord and tenant.
Hello, Miss Sarah. This is Jack from Unit 4.
Oh, hello, Jack. How are you doing today?
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
So, what's going on?
Well, calling because the sink is leaking again.
Again, I fixed it last month.
I know. It's crying again.
Okay, I will come tomorrow.
Can you come at a.m.?
That works for me.
Also, the heater is very loud.
Your house is like a ghost house.
I know. Please save me.
Don't worry, I'll fix everything.
Thank you. You are the best.
See you tomorrow at 10.
Gym trainer and member.
5 more push-ups, go.
I can't. My arms are jelly.
You can do it. Think of summer.
Summer feels very far away.
Just 3 more. 1, 2, 3.
Done. I'm dying now.
Drink some water. Great job.
Can I eat a donut now?
Only if you do 100 burpees.
Okay. I'll just drink water.
Good choice. See you tomorrow.
See you. I will try to walk.
Barista and regular customer.
Welcome back, Peter. The usual?
You got it. Yes, please. Extra hot latte.
Coming up, how is your morning?
A bit slow. I need caffeine.
Here is your life water.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Did you change your hair?
Yes, I got a haircut yesterday.
It looks sharp. Very cool.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. See you tomorrow.
Bye. See you then.
Old acquaintance.
Wait, is that you, Kevin?
Oh my God, Sarah. Hi.
You look exactly the same.
Really? I feel 100 years older.
What are you doing here?
I work nearby. How about you?
I'm just shopping for a gift.
We should grab coffee soon.
Definitely. Give me your number.
Here it is. Call me later.
I will. Great seeing you.
Me too. Take care, Sarah.
Classmate or study mate.
Hey, what's up?
Not much. How are things with you?
I'm a little tired. Did you study for the test?
Test. Was there a test today?
Just kidding. It's tomorrow?
You scared me. My heart stopped.
Ha ha ha. Let's study at the library.
Okay, but you help me with math?
Deal. I'll bring the snacks.
Then I'll bring the cold drinks.
Let's meet at PM then.
See you then, Einstein.
Don't be late, okay?
I'll be there at 3:50.
Work teammate.
Hey, are you almost finished with your work?
Just about. How is your morning going?
It's been busy, but I'm finally done.
Good for you. I'm so hungry right now.
Me too. Let's go get lunch. What are you having for lunch?
Just a salad. I'm on a diet.
A salad? That's not real food.
My genes told me to eat light.
I'm having a big burger.
Stop. You are making me hungry.
Sorry, want a fry? Just one?
No, 1 fry leads to 10.
You are very strong, my friend.
I'm crying inside, though.
After lunch, let's walk a bit.
Good idea. Let's burn calories.
Close friends.
Hey, look who it is.
Hey, I missed your ugly face.
Shut up. You look like a potato.
How have you been?
So busy. Life is crazy.
Tell me everything. I'm listening.
First, I got a new cat.
What? You hated cats.
She chose me. I had no choice.
I can't wait to meet her.
Come over to my house tonight.
Okay, I'll bring some cat treats.
Parent and child.
Did you clean your room, Toby?
I'm doing it right now.
I see you playing games, not cleaning.
I'm cleaning the virtual room.
Real room now, or no dessert.
No cake. Okay, I'm moving.
That's my boy. Be quick.
Can you help me a little?
Just the big things. Let's go.
Thanks, Mom. You're the best.
I know. Now, pick up the socks.
Yes, ma'am.
Spouse or partners.
Good morning. It's late. You need to get up.
Already? Give me a second. I'm still half asleep.
Come on, the sun is up. How did you sleep?
I slept like a log. How about you?
I slept well. Let's get moving.
No, 5 more minutes, please.
The coffee is ready. It smells great.
Okay, my nose is awake now.
Did you sleep well last night?
I dreamed about winning the lottery.
Did you share the money with me?
In the dream, I bought a boat.
A boat? Where is my diamond ring?
Maybe in the next dream. Haha.
You are funny. Now get up.
Okay. Good morning, honey.
Now you can start small talk with confidence.
Please subscribe and like for more lessons.
In the comments.
See you next time. Bye.